everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair and I'm with the lovely Phoebe. Phoebe has not had her lunch yet, so she's having a little snack while we're doing the hair, which is fine. I'm going to show you a really simple style that'll stay in all day that everyone can have a go at. So I'm starting off by just parting the hair in the middle, all the way to the back. Depending on how, smart you want this style to be, don't worry too much about this bit, as long as you're more or less straight with your lines. So I'm going to take this top section here, just by the ear, and come all the way to the centre, and we're going to place this hair into an elastic or a bobble. So just placing this hair into a ponytail, like so. Same on the other side for me. We're going to come back to the right and we're going to do another section. And we're going to mirror it on the other side again. So whatever you're doing on the right, you're going to do on the left. You could definitely make this look more perfect, but I think these styles can take so long if you get a little bit too worried about, everything being absolutely perfect. So I've just sort of learned to just kind of go with it. It looks really good at the end anyway. It doesn't really matter too much. And then we're just going to do these very bottom ones right at the nape of the neck. So that is what we are left with, and now we are going to braid. So this is just as it sounds. You could do twist braids, you could do regular braids, nice and quick. Again, nothing needs to be too perfect, but you only need to do them long enough to be able to tie it across here. So don't waste your time doing the whole braid, just so it's long enough just to go across. And then I'm just going to combine all that together. Same on this side now. And then we are bringing this one over here. I'm going to do that one more time. So next I'm just going to take the top of this hair here and just kind of twist it around and create some cute little buns at the top. So just pinning that into place. So that is our style. How cute and simple was that? It looks adorable from the back. Really, really, really cute. Stays out the face all day. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.